Hey everyone, so in this video we'll see how you can clean your car's interiors at home with a wet and dry vacuum, a cleaning product and a microfiber towel and still get professional results. So the first thing that we will do here is take out these floor mats and then do a dry cleaning to take out all the dust and debris. So this is the vacuum that I'll be using to clean the car, and I'd already done an extensive review of this product. So first we'll do the dry cleaning and then in the step 2 we'll do the wet cleaning. So for the wet cleaning, this is the product that I've got from Amazon, and I've posted a link in the description section below from where you can get this product. And most of these cleaning products come with a dilution recommendation, so you should mix it with the recommended quantity of water and only then use it. Do not use it in full concentration because it might cause damage to your carpets or interiors. So use the recommended dilution and then only apply it on the interiors. Now that our solution is ready, you can use a brush of this sort and start scrubbing the liquid all over the surface. So first we'll start with the seats. Always start with the top sections first. So first we'll start with the seats, and once we have the seats cleaned up, we'll go to the flooring. So this is how you can scrub it all over the surface. Do not bother about the extra liquid that may be dripping on your seat, because later on when we use the wet vacuum mode, it's going to suck all of that liquid out. And anyway, for extra drying, you can park your car maybe in the sun for a while and that will dry out all the liquid. Alright, so we've applied this all over the seat. Now it's time to use the wet mode of the vacuum and get all of this out. So for most of these drum type vacuums, there is a dust bag that you need to take out before you put it in the wet mode. So I'm gonna take this out, and you can already see that from the dust mode that we had used earlier, there's so much of dust that's accumulated in here. So let's take this dust out and then we'll start with the wet mode. So for our second step, we are going to put the vacuum on the wet mode and then suck out all of this foam and the wet things that may be on the surface. And then finally, after this is done, you can use a dry microfiber cloth to take out any other residue that's left on the seats. So now that our seats are dry and clean, we can follow the same process for the flooring. So we'll use the same brush and the liquid that we had prepared earlier and then scrub it all over the flooring, and then we can use the wet mode to take out all this foam and liquid out. Now the door panels are slightly tricky because here you have certain electronics like the window switches and the seat adjustment, etc. So here I would stick to the microfiber and just apply the liquid and then wipe it off. Make sure that you do not put the liquid in any of those electronic switches, otherwise they could go bad. And after the entire cleaning process is done, this is how the car looks. So you can see that there's a lot of difference in what it was earlier and how it looks right now. The floor is nice and clean and the seats are clean as well. Initially there were a lot of dog hair, so even those have been removed. So that's it for this one, guys. If you have any questions about this process, you can add those in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. So thank you for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel.